Hi there, my name is Eleonora Pazyak and I'm a teacher trainer here at Great Education Centre. If you're thinking of doing a Celta course, I have one important recommendation for you to make your life much easier during the course. It's no surprise that Celta trainees aim at getting a certificate with higher grades, but Celta is not an exam. It's a very short period of time when you have a chance to learn a great deal of new information, improve your teaching skills, and what's more important, develop a large number of new ones. Focusing on learning and development should be the main priority during the course. You will only teach 8 lessons, which doesn't seem enough to improve a lot. Well, I have seen so many trainees who managed to change their way of teaching so dramatically that it looked like a miracle. Thinking about getting grades A's and B's will add more stress and challenge. Any mistake will seem to be pushing you away from your success. However, a real success during the course is about becoming a better teacher. Whatever happens during the course, you teach a great lesson or something doesn't happen the way you expected it, it is developmental. Any mistake is an opportunity to learn and improve. So, concentrate on your development, not on the grades.